Brutal life lessons. Nobody teaches you. 1. Nobody cares. 2. Take time to know who you are. 3. The more you give, the more you receive. 4. No work is beneath you. 5. Start meditating. 6. Don't be afraid to take risks. 7. Don't make decisions when you're emotional. 8. Luck works if hard work runs. 9. Be patient and persistent. 10. You don't need to impress everyone. 2. Listen to learn. 12. Don't take the easy road. 13. Start reading books. 14. Respect others as you would respect yourself. 15. Narrow down your focus bit by bit. 16. You quit, you lose, you fail. 17. Put your best foot forward. 18. Don't bother what other people think. 19. Learn something new every day. 20. Don't make assumptions. 21st. Believe in yourself.